Hi everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. FedEx Wu China weakness sterling road was moving markets by Geoffrey Smith. Investing.com FedEx drastic, drastic cost cutting measure and weak revenue update put stocks on course for their lows weekly close in 2 months as fears for the global economy grow. The yuan falls dropped 7 to the dollar as China's housing slump and consumer buzz continue. Sterling slumped to its lowest since 1985 on dismal retail sales data, and the government is taking over Rosneft refineries in Germany as Berlin tries to ward off a looming fuel supply emergency. Here's what you need to know in financial market on Friday, 60th September. As FedEx goes, so goes the world economy. Global growth fears have a name, and its name is FedEx. The delivery and logistic company's stock won nearly 20% in after-hours trading on Thursday after its new chief executive announced it will close 90 locations around the globe. Park some cargo aircraft and freight hearing, while the company didn't mention job cuts specifically. It will also close 5 corporate offices. FedEx, with its global reach and its exposure to both business and households, is often taken as a loose proxy for global economic activity. Its profit margins have been under pressure for months due to soaring fuel bills and rising labor costs due to tight job market, but its top line is also now suffering, with economic weakness in Europe and Asia leaving its large division Express $500 million short of forecast in the last quarter, while the ebbing of the pandemic-driven surge in commercial deliveries left its grown division $300 million short. With China's data pressure local stock currency, China's stock market benchmark all fell by over 2% and the offshore yuan fell to the level of 7 to the dollar as the economy put out a mixed bag of numbers that analysts said were weaker than they looked at first sight. Growth in industrial production and retail sales accelerated, but largely due to target tax breaks for the domestic auto industry. Other stimulus measures made to propping up a moribund real estate sector from an uptick in investment in fixed assets, but market zeroed in on another big annual decline in house prices, which were down 2.1% on the year in August. They have now been flat or in decline for 12 straight months. Stock set for lowest weekly close in 2 months, making consumer sentiment aid. US stocks are on course for their lowest weekly close in 2 months, and the new out of FedEx, China, and Europe all darken the broader outlook for corporate earnings. The big economy number the latter is the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 10 o'clock ET, where the focus will be anything that inflation expectations are the unscoring from the Federal Reserve medium-term target of 2%. The safer inversion of the US yield curve suggests that isn't the case yet. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel.